Welcome to an overview of the Smarter Partner Portal. I am Tian and I will show you how to simply check in training learners on training day on our platform. Let's get started. When you have the course, class, and learner list information ready, at the right side of the class tab, you'll see two small symbols of a pencil and the letter I. Select the small pencil. That is the section for you to edit class information. Scroll down to the Learner Profile section. Simply assign the participated learner when a list like this pops up when you click on Select Learner. Save the list by going back to the top of the page, click Save, and the website will redirect you back to the course information page. Now, on training day, select the small I at the right side of the class tab for that training. You will see information such as a QR check-in code, summary of the class or training, and the list of anticipated learner for that training. If the learner has already installed the Smarter app, they can use the integrated QR scanner to scan the code and they will automatically checked in. No more step required. In the case where the learners have not, you can simply check them in by using their provided email or searching for the names in the search bar. When you identify the correct learner, click the blue check button, check-in button. The red X will automatically change into the green check, showing that learner participate in the training or class. It is just so simple that you no longer need to use pen or paper to check in like before. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. Your training program will thank you.